little quick YouTube video real quick. Ain't that right, Brandon?
Yeah, that's right.
Look what we got down here. Some fucking, what are these, radials?
I don't think so.
What are these, Kopi?
Yeah.
Radials, right? We got a Hellcat right here. Take a look at this. Take a look at what we're doing right now. You see the Mickey Thompsons? Yup, on the Hellcat. So what we had to do was, they were so fat, rubbing up on that, you know, so fucking fat. You know what I'm talking about? So we had to, you know, push that in a little bit so we weren't fucking rubbing up on the frame. Make some adjustments to the inner well, the wheel well. Get some plastic away so we can fit those bitches on there. This thing's gonna hook now, baby. We still got the sticker on there. We're about to go burn those bitches off real quick. Sorry.
Passing the flat.
Yeah, do what you gotta do. Rubbing right there still. This is the clearance we're working with right here.
Yeah.
Look at that. Yeah, we need to just a teeny bit more. Teeny bit more.
Go for it, wait.
So what, you got that fitment or what?
Psycho bar to the middle, I'm a don. In the wards, got the 50 in my rod. Skate the block off them Zannies, so I'm calm. Cuff a lot, bring the damage to my lungs. Don't smoke a gun, toting, I'm a killer's killer. Pill popper, I don't know a lot, we really sick em. Full of nigga, Coney Draker, fucking up my liver. Pull the trigger up the thriller to the highest bidder.
Damn, baby. That bitch was moving. I felt just something a little bit, but she's just getting warmed up too. Get him. God damn! I think that bitch is moving, man. That bitch is fucking moving, dude. Alright guys, comment, like this fucking video if you guys want to see this fucking run again. Want to see some more fucking videos of this thing. Thank y'all. I'll see you guys on the next one.